Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to take your graphic design skills to the next level with Canva by creating your own very custom icon. So let's get started. The first step is to open up Canva, and from here you need to click on the create a design. Now click on custom size. Here add the width for about 5 and the height for about 5 as well. Now just click on create a design. And here is our blank canvas. Now let's start designing our icon. Now select the shape icon from the left hand panel. You can see there's an element panel here, and here choose the shape you want to use as your base. I'll be using this and I'm going to drag and drop in here. I'm going to increase its size by holding the shift key so the proportion of the design is similar. I'm going to place it in the middle and the center. Now I'm going to select this and lock this layer. This will be used as our background for our design. Once you have the base, once you have your base shape, now it's time to get creative. Add any additional shapes, lines or icons that you want to include in your custom design. I'll be using the elements. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations and placements until you find the perfect design for your needs. I'll be using the different colors. Once you are happy with your design, select all of the shapes and icons on the canvas and group them together. Select all of these like this and right click on them and click on group. Now you can use your custom icon as a PNG file with a transparent background, making it easy to use in a project or design you want. And there you have it, your own custom icon created in Canva. With just a few easy steps, you can elevate your graphic design game and create unique design for any projects you can imagine. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.